Okay guys, so in this plate I have some pancake which I've cut into bite pieces for Blessing. I have her fork, her spoon, her water, sweet and banana yogurt. So let's taste her patience. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Mommy, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So guys, I want to try Blessing's patience today. I've done this I think about 2 years ago with my other kids, and then Blessing wasn't here. I think I was pregnant with her then. So today I thought I should do the exact thing I did with my other kids with Blessing. Let's see how much she can wait, okay? All right, Mommy, don't eat here too. Let me go inside. I'm coming. Once I come, you can start eating, okay? Hold on, I'm coming. Don't eat so, okay? Guys, this challenge, how many of you as an adult can try, can handle this? Can you be able to wait this long? I think I took up to 5 minutes, because at a point, I think after about 4 minutes, I came back to be sure that my phone was still recording, and as I was coming in, I caught her about to touch the something. So when I came in, my camera, and I don't know, my mind was telling me go and check. I came in and I saw that the thing had stopped recording at 4 minutes and some seconds. So I had to turn it back on again. My memory got filled up, so I had to delete a video, and then I restarted again, and I still told her to keep waiting, that I'm coming. And the mood I saw her when I came in, her face was rumpled. She was already getting frustrated and tired, and this girl, she was so hungry. Like, how was she able to wait? Although I could see from the clips as I'm editing this video now, I could see that she was just busy touching it here and there, licking her fingers, like oh my goodness, even me as an adult, I don't even know if I can be able to wait this long while the food is sitting in front of me. You tell me not to touch, or you're listening to what she said.
Be fast, Mom.
Guys, did you hear her? Be fast, Mom. My baby, I don't blame her, honestly. I really felt for her when she started squeezing her face. Anyways, let's keep watching to see what happened next. It was at this point she started squeezing her face. Can you see that face? She's no longer finding this thing funny. Like, it's no longer a joke to her anymore. See, look, see her face. She was even about to cry. She almost cried. It's funny to me now, but I really felt for her as I was joining the clips together. I was like, oh, my baby. How could I do this to you? Please, baby, if you grow up and see this video, please don't blame me. Blame it on the internet. They made me do this to you. I did it with your siblings, so I'm doing it with you. Don't be angry with Mommy, okay? Look at her. She's just touching and licking her fingers. Did you touch it?
Yes.
Why?
But this thing keeps touching.
It keeps touching.
Yes.
Did you eat it?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Are you lying to Mommy? Okay. Oh. Guys, how many minutes did I take? I don't even know, but I think I took up to 5 minutes or even more. Brava. Okay, you can eat, Mommy. You forgot to pray. Amen. Oh, mommy, are you that hungry that you forgot to pray?
I play.
I know you've prayed, but you forgot to pray. Okay, enjoy, okay? Enjoy your meal. Let me open the yogurt for you. Bon appetito! Don't swallow everything all at once. Eat calmly, okay? I say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Boom! And she finished everything. Like not even a single pancake left on the plate. That is to show you how hungry she was. Bye, guys.